morning and happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you have a nice warm beverage somewhere nearby you. I've got my coffee this morning, maybe a cup of tea, cup of cocoa, but hope your day is off to a good start and hope you're doing well. So, for this week, we are heading into the moon. Finally, we are here. We have been eagerly awaiting this. Well, I don't know if you have, but I've been eagerly awaiting this. And as I was, I've just had I've seen a lot of stuff about the moon recently. Like it's just been on my mind. Like, for instance, here is your question for the week. I was actually gifted for my birthday a necklace, and I don't know how easy it is to see, but I was gifted a necklace that actually has the phase of the moon that the moon was in when I was born. So I was actually born under a waxing crescent moon. I found out I didn't know this until my children gifted this to me. But I was actually born under a waxing crescent moon. So if you don't know what that is, by the end of this week, you should have an idea. So, the question that I have for you guys this week is what is the best gift you've ever received? This doesn't have to be like a tangible gift, like a necklace. This could be something like a compliment or something nice that somebody did for you, or it could be an actual gift that you've received. But I'm wondering, your question this week, what is the best gift you've ever received? So, um, let me know after you finish watching this video, fill out the form and let me know. But anyway, this week we are talking about the moon. And so, of course, if you're here, you're already in the weekly overview video. And in order to get your 3 easy participation points, you do have to watch this and submit the question today on Wednesday. Now, especially as we are moving into distance learning, one of the things that I've been trying to do is kind of put as much stuff together and house it in one place. So, the bulk of what you have to do this week in terms of your notes and notebook and stuff like that is in the section called Moon Notes and Diagram. You're going to need to copy slides 38 through 42. This is actually, I've put the teacher copy of the science notebook together with the lesson in Schoology. So when you go into Schoology this week, you're going to be looking for 12.2 space lesson 6. Here, where it has the moon notes and diagram, this is where you're going to find, when you click into here, you'll find the teacher copy to copy over slides 38 through 42. And then here are the slides that are going to take you to our lesson for the week. When you go into this lesson, I've just got like a couple little things here, something just maybe to little science humor for you on this Wednesday, and then a reminder. December 17th, entries for the MoonPod essay contest are due. So if you've been working on that, just a friendly reminder. If you haven't and you've got extra time at home, then this would be a really fun thing and creative thing to spend your time on. So as you go through this lesson this week, it'll give you instructions about where to go within your notebook, and then you will be walked through a series of notes. There is a little activity for you guys to do. So when you get down here to slide 13 in our notes this week, there's an activity with a penny. So find a penny or another coin around your house and follow this little activity. And there's a diagram on slide, I believe it is 39. There will be a little diagram for you to fill out and manipulate there. And so pretty much this will just walk you through slides 38 through 42. There are some little videos. Eventually, when you get down to the diagram, this week we are going to be filling out a diagram on phases of the moon. And I have linked for you in these slides a video that was created by Mrs. Rich. I do want to make a note that Mrs. Rich uses OneNote. So when she's instructing you to fill out this diagram, she's referencing tools that are found in OneNote. What you are going to need to do is just modify that very slightly for Google Slides. We've done this in class before where at the top of your screen there is a line tool, and you go down, and if you do the scribble tool, you can basically shade in wherever you need to on this diagram and then select the color of your choice. So you might have to just play around with that, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Okay, let's see. So once you have done the moon phase, you've done the moon notes, you've done the moon phase diagram, then what else you have for the week going on, I'll go back up here to our agenda slide. So once you have the notes and the diagram completed, then I'll have you go in to Edpuzzle. You'll be looking for a Moon Phases Edpuzzle this week. I have the link to Edpuzzle, and I also have the class codes for the Edpuzzle linked in Schoology, and they're also linked in these slides at the end of these slides. Let's see. Once you've done the Edpuzzle, then you're ready to move on to the really fun thing for the week. And over this week and the next week, we're going to be doing a stop motion video project. Now, I'm going to have a separate video specifically related to this project, but in terms of the overview of the project, what you're going to be doing is creating a stop motion video, and you get to choose a topic of either the moon phases. You could do one on eclipses or seasons. So based on one of those three topics, you're going to be creating a stop motion video. In your note slides for the week, I have a link to specific instruction slides for that project. And then, like I said, in Schoology, there will also be here a section for the stop motion video project. What I will have for you there is I will have instructional slides. I'll have a video that overviews and goes through those slides with you. And then I'll also have the rubrics of how you will be graded. So all of that stuff is going to be linked together. So hopefully this will be something fun and creative to do at home. And stop motion is really easy. So we'll get into that, but wanted to give you kind of a fun challenge and kind of let you use your creativity while you're working from home rather than just, sitting and having somebody wah at you, at least a little bit. So once you have completed those 4 things, then you are going to be done for the week in science. Now, do keep in mind your stop motion video project. This is going to run over 2 weeks. So we'll have part 1 this week, and then we'll have part 2 finishing up and submitting the following week. So looking forward to hearing about the best gift you've ever received. So go ahead, go in now to that document in our Google Doc in Schoology, fill that out, and I look forward to seeing you guys during our Zoom class meetings. Now, if you are a Purple Day student for science, then I will see you Monday or Tuesday at 9:30. So you choose one of those days to come to our class meeting. This week is going to be really important because we're going to be really focusing on your project and making sure that you understand what's going on there. And then we'll have a little short review or maybe game on phases of the moon. If I have you guys on Silver Day, if you're Silver Day Science, then I'm going to see you at 9:30 on Thursday or Friday, one of the two. So looking forward to seeing you guys on Zoom. And again, hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.